So I'm going to be doing some Alfredo sauce, and we need 1 stick of butter. Melt it all the way down. Make sure it's all melted. And we're going to need some whipping cream, some Parmesan Romano, not the powder one, but the one that's like that. And then we're also going to need some garlic powder, pepper, and some salt. So my daughter here, Amber, is helping me cook for my channel. Say hi, Amber.
Hi.
So after the butter's melted, we're going to add some garlic. It depends on how much you want. I'm going to add about that much. So my daughter's going to melt it around with the butter. We'll add a little bit more. And then we're going to add 1 cup and 1/4 of heavy cream. Shake it around.
It looks like me.
Okay, she's gonna shake it around. Then after that, let it mix for a little bit. Mix it. For our pasta, I'm gonna be using the Farfalle. I don't really know how to mention it, but I'm gonna use that one, a little bow tie. And right now, the ingredients are getting mixed, and we're gonna be adding the Parmesan cheese in a little bit. And in that pot, I'm gonna make some chicken. My daughter is gonna put water to boil the pasta right now. What? Oh. You can always add some pepper for flavor. So the chicken is already ready, and the pasta just needs a little bit longer. Still kind of hard in the middle. I put some garlic bread in the oven and some cinnamon rolls for dessert. So we added the pasta to the sauce, and the chicken is ready. So we're going to be adding the chicken to our pasta. Well, some of it. My children don't like that much chicken. So right now I'm going to let the flavors mix in together. I added a little bit of a touch of a family recipe ingredient, but obviously we can't let that one go. So right now, while we wait for the pasta to blend, we opened up our garlic bread so it can crust on the inside. And as you can see, our cinnamon bread is almost puffy. So this is the finished plate, and my daughter's gonna do a taste test. How is it? How about the garlic bread? Delicious.